Hey everybody, today we're going to be making this easy garden pasta salad. So what you're going to need is a box of this garden rotini pasta. Um, it comes in all different brands. I got that from Walmart. I've already pre-cooked and drained and everything, so it's all ready to go in the bowl. And then I've already pre-chopped all my veggies. Right here I have some red and yellow bell pepper, some cucumber slices. It's an English cucumber, the one without all the seeds. Some jalapeno peppers, finely chopped, and some black olives. You can put basically whatever you want in this salad. It's totally up to you. I have some salt and pepper right there and some feta cheese. With the cheese, you can use any type of cheese you want. Sometimes I'll use feta and sometimes I'll use Parmesan cheese. You can use cheddar if you want. And I also have some Italian herbs. You can you can get this anywhere. I think I got that from Dollar Tree. But yeah. And then you can choose whatever salad dressing you want to use. I have the Wishbone Robusto and a Wishbone avocado oil vinaigrette that I'm going to combine the two of them together. And I'm just adding my salt and pepper now. I always do it first. I don't know why, but I just feel like it'll help flavor the pasta a little bit better. I do salt my water when I boil my pasta, but I add a little bit more, and then I add tons of pepper, as you can see, and I like the freshly grated pepper. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. And just a little bit of salt, as you can see. And then I have these little Dollar Tree tongs that I kind of mix everything up. These little things come in handy. I bought a bunch of them for a family gathering, and I find myself reaching for these all the time. I really like that little tool there. Again, Dollar Tree. So now I'm gonna add all my veggies and everything and give it a really good toss together. This is super easy and super quick to put together. While your pasta is boiling, you can chop your veggies up, and this is a good meal if you like serve it with a nice crusty bread, a French bread or something like that. You can actually do like a cheese bread if you want to. That would be good, and it'll be a nice complete meal, a nice light meal. Or you can use it as a side, which I do a lot when I make the salad. It's usually as a side, but this time, since it's just me, this is gonna be my dinner. Now I'm adding the feta. And again, I got this feta at Dollar Tree. It's already crumbled and everything, so I try to stock up when I go to Dollar Tree and find this. So now I'm adding my Italian seasonings. Even though you have the Italian dressing, well, it depends on what dressing you use, and I'm using Italian. Adding a little extra seasoning just helps it taste a lot better and adds a lot more flavor. So and just giving it a good toss. And now I'm gonna add the dressing. And usually when I assemble this, my pasta is not all the way cold, but it's not hot either. And I find that it absorbs the salad dressing a lot better that way. That's just my opinion. And it just flavors it a lot better to me. And so now I'm adding the avocado oil vinaigrette as well, and then I'm giving it another nice little toss. And that is pretty much it, y'all. It is super simple, super easy. And again, you can add whatever kind of vegetables you like, whatever kind of cheese and dressing that you like, or you could use these. You could find that salad dressing, the Robusto salad dressing by Wishbone from Dollar Tree. The avocado oil vinaigrette I got from Walmart. They have a new line out with different oils and flavorings. So if you're interested in that, you can find it at Dollar Tree. And yeah, that's it. So if you like this video and want to see more cooking videos with me, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll know when I upload a video. And that, my friends, is it. And of course I have to taste it, obviously. But anyway, see you in my next video. Bye.